Hello, welcome kids to our English class online. I am your teacher Airene. And today's lesson we are going to study about the English alphabet, okay? So do you remember the basic greetings? Yes, we studied this before. The basic greetings, we have number 1, good morning. Yeah, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Yes. So we studied this before. So today we will study the letter A of the English alphabet. Big letter A. Small letter A is for apple. 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 Let's repeat. Big letter A. Small letter A is for apple. Apple. Let's read. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day, that's what they say. Let's repeat. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day, that's what they say. Let's have the words that start with letter A. Ant, ant. Axe, and axe. Let's have the words starts with letter A. Alligator, an alligator. Airplane, an airplane. Now, for your worksheet, you are going to answer this, okay? You're going to draw a line. Number 1 is alligator. Letter A, alligator. Where is the picture here? B, ant. Sorry. C, airplane. Where is the airplane? D, apple. E, axe. Okay, and I will also send you the Google form, so you have to answer the Google form as well to keep your score. Okay, to have your score. Okay, so that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening and watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.